Stitch number 4 on the Pfaff Expression 3.5 sewing machine is a basting stitch. So you've noticed that when I went from a straight stitch to stitch number 4, the dual feed disappeared and the feed dogs are recommended that they are lowered. So come down here. This is where you can slide them to the left and the feed dogs lower. So watch this. And disengage the dual feed. Notice tension is actually also reduced to 2.4, and I'll show you why once we stitch this. So lower down the presser foot and step on the foot control. It takes 2 stitches, then you lift, you pull the fabric to where you want, 2 more stitches, and 2 more stitches, and how about we'll just do one right here. 2 more stitches. Okay. So the reason that the tension is super loose is so you can actually, the whole idea of basting stitches is to hold something together, but then be able to easily pull that out. And since the thread is no longer balanced, it's easy to pull that bobbin thread out completely from the back of the fabric. So basting stitches, you just get 2 stitches, it stops, and then you drag it. You can have long stitches, you have close together stitches. Makes it really easy to baste anything together that you need to hold together just temporarily.